Key skills and roles in a bid team. The bid team. Welcome to Lecture 1.4. In our previous lesson, we talked about the bid lifecycle and all the different phases involved. Now, let's turn our attention to the people who make that process happen. The bid team. It's a group with diverse skills, and their collaborative efforts are what ultimately determines the quality of your proposal. The composition of this team and the clear definition of each member's role are absolutely critical for success, and we'll dive into each of those roles in this lesson. The bid process is a marathon, not a sprint, and you can't run it alone. The quality of your proposal is a direct reflection of the collaborative efforts of your bid team. Think of it as a well-oiled machine, where every part has a purpose. For example, without clearly defined roles, your team might have two different people writing the executive summary, which leads to duplicated work and a confused message. By having clear roles from the start, you ensure that every team member knows exactly what their responsibility is. This prevents duplication of effort and streamlines the entire bid process, making it much more efficient. Here are the key roles you'll typically find in a bid team. Now that we've established the importance of the team, let's briefly introduce the key players you'll typically find in a bid team. In later modules, we'll dive deeper into each of these roles, but for now, let's get a high-level overview of their responsibilities. The bid manager is the conductor, overseeing the entire process. Think of them as the project manager for the bid. They're responsible for keeping everything on track, from the schedule to the resources, ensuring the entire team works in harmony. The proposal manager or writer crafts the written content. This is the person who translates all the technical and strategic information into a clear, compelling, and persuasive document that resonates with the client. Subject matter experts, SMEs, provide the technical knowledge. These are your technical gurus and domain specialists who provide the in-depth knowledge to make your solution credible and accurate. The sales/business development lead brings client knowledge. They're the voice of the customer, providing critical insights into the client's needs and the competitive landscape, ensuring the proposal is focused on what truly matters to the client. The commercial/finance lead handles the financial aspects. This is the person who ensures the bid is profitable. They handle all the financial aspects, from pricing strategy to cost estimation, ensuring that the bid is both competitive and commercially viable. The review team provides quality control. This team acts as the gatekeeper of quality. They review the proposal for accuracy, consistency, and compliance, ensuring that it is polished and professional before it's submitted. To summarize, a successful bid team requires a diverse set of skills and the involvement of individuals with specific expertise. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities ensure accountability, prevent duplication of effort, and foster a streamlined and efficient bid process. Without this clarity, bid efforts can become chaotic, deadlines can be missed, and the quality of the final submission can suffer significantly. Investing in the right people and fostering teamwork is essential for winning.